All right, well, I got some good news. So LAKE just hit our target at 1625. Nicely done, nicely done. So again, I think this is very good cause for celebration, folks. All right, so why is it a good cause for celebration? Number one, we held the trade. Number two, we won on the day. So that's a very big thing to keep in mind is, yes, I lost on 3M. And I hope all of you can understand that I'm not going to hide a losing trade ever. If I lose on a trade, we're going to talk about it. We're going to discuss it. It's going to be apparent. It's going to be obvious. Type in a 7 if you are cool with that. I want you to be cool anytime I lose on a trade. I'm not going to cover it up. I'm not going to hide it. I'm going to be very honest about it because it happens. Okay? But I want you to type in a new number into the chat pane for me now. Type in a 6 if you remember me saying that I most likely am going to lose on 3M. Now I'm going to try to make more on 3M on Lake than I lost on 3M. All right, beautiful. So that's exactly what happened. We did lose on 3M, right? We lost $500 on 3M. Well, whatever your risk unit is, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so if you lost $50, you lost $100, you lost $200, $500, $1,000, whatever. But then we won more than that on Lake. So this was right around a $600 win on LAKE. So we got out at 1625. That was the target. Could it keep going? It sure could. Will it keep going? Probably. Why do I say that? Because we never, as traders, folks, this is a very important thing to remember. Feel free to jot this down. As traders, we never exit at the exact high. It just never happens. Okay? Now, again, my goal is to help each and every one of you find trades that you like and to help you understand why I'm getting into them, where I'm getting into them, how I'm getting into them, so on and so forth. Each and every one of you has the opportunity to decide and decipher what you want to do with your trade based on your trading plan. Right? So some of you are saying that you're going to keep holding the trade and you're going to tighten your stop. That's absolutely fine. Again, I want each and every one of you here to beat me on trades. I want you to make more money on trades than I do. I think that would be an incredibly exciting, wonderful thing. There's a few reasons why I took the profit on LAKE where I did. Number one, it's a new high of the day. Number two, it's a new pre-market high. So here's the pre-market high. It's a new pre-market high. Number three, it was a profitable place to sell. Number four, it made more than I lost on 3M. So all of those things coming into context, that's why I did where I did it. Joshua said, only if it's a stop, you exit at the exact high or low. Not even that. I just mean, Joshua, that I never get out of the exact high. Like LAKE could do this and then this, right? So I sold here rather than selling at 1680. That's kind of what I meant. So, 1680 I think is probably the next target. What I'm going to do now is help each and every one of you who are still in, and there are a few of you who are still in, and if you are, congratulations. I think that's amazing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write down where I exited. Target, Newsome, and others exited. And then the next target for anyone who is still in, I would say is 1678. Next target for anyone holding. And again, you can do whatever you want there. You can exit a partial, you can exit all of it, you can increase your stop again, you can hold as a swing trade, whatever you want to do. One of the other reasons I got out is because this trade, this stock historically has pretty low volume, so I didn't want this thing to get halted or something weird to happen. So I figured, hey, get in, get out, make your money, win more than you lose, and be done. Beautiful. Okay, that's a wonderful review. I hope it helped. Type in a 1 if that helped. And then Annie, if you're still here, I'm going to answer your question. EJ says, I got stopped out. It would have been more profitable just to sell at $16.25. Right? He says, nope, it wouldn't have. Oh, okay. All right, Annie says, all right, cool. So Annie, you asked the question, do I buy futures if I expect a big market correction? I know what you mean. I just want to make sure I clarify the vernacular. I don't buy futures if I expect the market to sell off. I sell them. Yes. So I do play futures bearish if I expect the market to go down. Yep. Which, to reiterate, I do expect the market to go a little bit lower than it is right now. It won't necessarily happen today, but I do expect some more drops. It's a really good question. Joel says, are you going to short INO off of the VWAP? That's a really good question, man. So I did cancel our trade at 532 on INO. If you want to short INO, I would say close to the VWAP or close to 551 would be reasonable. Annie says, futures are a good hedge. I 100% agree with you. You're absolutely correct. So yeah, if you're playing INO, we did cancel INO a moment ago, but if you're looking to short it again, I would say 551 with a stop above the high of the day. Makes sense. I don't think you're going to win that much on the trade, best case scenario, but anyway, I did get out of INO. I'm fully out of ticker symbol INO. And again, for those of you who are still in Lake, cool. But anyway, that was a very good trade on Lake, folks. Great location, great spot, good win, awesome stuff. Really happy with that performance. And let me give you just a few quick seconds to give you a rule that I follow very closely. All right, here's a rule. Ready? Hope you got your pens ready. If I win on the day between two trades, but less than 0.7 Rs, I am done for the day. If I win on the day between two trades, but less than 0.7 Rs, I'm done for the day. What does that mean exactly? Well, if I come back over here to our trade journal, and I come over here to our day trades and our current month day trades, we all lost 1 R on 3M. LAKE, we just hit our target on LAKE to get out at 16.25. So the difference, the net difference between these two trades, 1.19 minus 1 equals a difference of positive 0.19. It's almost $100 for me, or for, whatever your risk is. That could be big or small, doesn't really matter. But 0.19 Rs. So obviously 0.19 Rs is lower than 0.7. Therefore, when it comes to day trades, ladies and gentlemen, I'm done for the day. The question that you have to ask is why? Why would I be done for the day? Because it is a very big rookie mistake. Very big rookie mistake to go green to red on the day. Type in a 6 if you've ever done that before. I'm going to type in a 6 because I have done it more times than probably anyone else here. But that is a rookie mistake. That is dumb. You should not do it. It is literally your decision. It is your fault. It is your problem. All of those things are true. You should never go green, realized green to realized red on the day. So right now we are realized green on the day, and therefore I'm simply not going to take another trade. I could take another trade and go realized green to red, but again, that is dumb. Sorry if that's offensive language to anyone, but that is not smart. You should not do that. All right. So this is the point of day trading. Make money in the morning, lock in profits, and then be done for the day. It's only 10:41 Central Time. So for me, if I lock down the room right now and I go out and go do my thing and go enjoy the day, I have all this day left to go enjoy myself, and I had the opportunity to make $100 day trading. Plus, I was able to engage, entertain, educate, and enrich. All of those things I like doing. So it was a really, really nice day. Annie says, even if a really good setup presented itself, that is correct. Even if a really good trade setup presented itself, I would still not take it. That's called following your rules, being disciplined. Whatever the rules are, I follow them always. EJ says, there will be another good one tomorrow. I forget who told me that, but someone told me that a mentor of mine said, the stock market is often open 5 days a week. I was like, man, mentor, that's a really good quote. You can write that one down. You guys can take that for yourself. The stock market is often open 5 days a week. Which means that there's another opportunity to take trades tomorrow. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be a little excited about this. Can I brag for a second? I did mention that we normally don't get out at the exact top. But man, that is real close to getting out of the exact top. 3 pennies away from picking the exact high on Lake. Can we get a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. So again, you know, I've done this before. I've done this before, my friends. I can at least guide you to some reasonable, rational reason to why we're going to do what we're going to do. So anyway, yeah, awesome stuff, guys. Great trade, great analysis, fantastic all across the board. I love it.